What if I told you that everything you've been taught about money is a lie? That the wealthy don't work for money, money works for them. Right now, there's a financial game being played, and if you don't understand the rules, you're the one getting played. So let's break it down. The rich don't trade time for money. They leverage assets, investments, and systems that make money work on autopilot. But how? What's the secret that separates them from everyone else struggling just to get by? It starts with one fundamental shift: the mindset of ownership over labor. The average person works for a paycheck, while the wealthy focus on ownership, owning businesses, real estate, and stocks. Think about it. Jeff Bezos doesn't pack Amazon boxes, Elon Musk isn't building Teslas in a factory, and Warren Buffett isn't clocking in for a 9-to-5. They own assets that produce wealth without their constant involvement. And the best part? You don't have to be a billionaire to start applying these principles. Let's talk about the 3 game-changing wealth-building strategies that the ultra-rich use to grow their money exponentially. 1. The power of compounding. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. The rich understand that money grows exponentially when invested wisely. Here's the deal. If you invest just $500 per month into an index fund averaging 10% annual returns, in 30 years, that turns into over $1 million. And that's with only a moderate effort. The wealthy don't save money, they multiply it. Every dollar they earn is put to work, generating more dollars. This is why investing beats saving every time. Your bank account will never make you rich, but owning appreciating assets will. Stocks, real estate, crypto, and businesses. These are the vehicles that turn middle-class earners into millionaires. But most people don't start because they're waiting for the perfect moment. Guess what? The perfect moment doesn't exist. Start now and let time do the heavy lifting. 2. Multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. That's right, 7. If your only source of income is your job, you're one paycheck away from disaster. The rich don't put all their eggs in one basket. They have active income, passive income, and scalable income streams that create financial security. Active income is your job or business. Passive income comes from dividends, real estate royalties, or automated online businesses. Scalable income is where the magic happens. It's the kind of income that grows without requiring more effort, like selling digital products, online courses, or building a brand that earns through sponsorships. The key? Diversification. The more streams of income you build, the less you depend on any one source. Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the true definition of financial freedom. The tax code. Advantage. Here's something the wealthy know that most people don't. The tax system is designed for investors, not employees. The rich legally pay fewer taxes because they understand the tax code. They set up LLCs, take business deductions, and invest in assets that offer tax benefits. Real estate, for example, allows you to claim depreciation, reducing your taxable income. Stock market investors get taxed at lower capital gains rates compared to ordinary income. And business owners? They deduct expenses, write off business investments, and reinvest profits to grow even richer. Want to pay less in taxes? Start thinking like an investor, not an employee. So where do you start? The first step is education. Read books on investing, listen to finance podcasts, and follow money mentors who have built real wealth. The second step, action. Open an investment account, start a side hustle, or acquire an asset. Do something today that moves you toward financial freedom. Most people will keep scrolling, but the ones who take action, they're the ones who change their future. Now, here's your challenge. Comment below one financial goal you're working on right now. Let's build wealth together. And if this video gave you value, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial motivation. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Now go build your wealth.